Driving through 3 miles all the way down Hagley Park Road a few years ago might have been any of these things for you. A chaotic encounter of traffic from maybe about 3 sections of the island. A resounding morning and evening tune of piercing vehicular horns. Or an irksome journey for a motoring public in a hurry, but hardly going anywhere. With 70,000 vehicles filtered through the 3 miles area daily, it's one of the country's busiest intersections, and now one of the most accommodating. Here's how we dissect 4 separate components of the work at the Hagley Park Road Legacy Project.
As it relates to the bridge here at Portia Simpson Miller Square, the bridges are complete. As a matter of fact, they are in use. What is left to be done is that along the structure that takes persons along Spanish Town Road, we have a bit of paving to do at the eastern end of that lane, or those lanes that take persons towards downtown Kingston. The contractor is now working to do the final bit of work so that the asphaltic concrete works can begin on those 2 lanes that take traffic into downtown Kingston. The lanes that take traffic out of the city towards 6 Mile, those lanes have been done. We still have a bit of work to do along Spanish Town Road up to the boundary. So part and parcel of what we intend to do is to have certain points along Hagley Park Road signalized. So we intend to put back the signals, and we have done so at Woodland Avenue. We have put up a new set of signals at O'Mara Road, also at Keysing Avenue, Margaret Villa. We are yet to have the signals there installed, but rest assured, this will be done before the project is complete. We are also going to be putting back the signals at Waltham Park Road and Hagley Park Road. Signals are there as we speak, but those are of a temporary nature. The permanent signals will be put up at all of these locations. In respect of the laying of the main sewer trunk, that has been completed. We still have work to do in respect of the connections that are to be made to the different entities along Hagley Park Road. That, of course, will be done by the National Water Commission at the appropriate time. In respect of the stormwater drains, we still have a bit of work to do in the 3 miles area to ensure that all the new features that we have installed, that there is interconnectivity taking the water into the main drain that takes it out to sea. So I would say that the drainage network is somewhere in the 90s insofar as percentage complete is concerned. In terms of the corridor, we would have completed the widening activity. What is being done now in terms of activities, we are putting in the sidewalks in areas along Hagley Park Road. We still have some work to do in respect of the completion of infrastructure to do with the laying of some docks, but that I expect will be completed in very, very short order so that the sidewalk works can move apace in those areas where such activity is outstanding.
So, if you're heading to 6 Miles, if you're going to downtown, or heading to Marcus Garvey Drive, or halfway tree, that converging conflict at 3 miles is much easier on the motoring public. Now, the Hagley Park Road Legacy project is about 80% complete, but already the motoring public that are still in a hurry seem to be moving, and the honking horns play at a reduced decibel.
Now we have been able to separate the traffic into 3 distinct flows, and so that in and of itself would have brought some significant benefits to the motoring public.
But recognizing that there are still outstanding works to be done, persons are being encouraged to use the road with extreme caution.
As the days and the weeks are ticked off, rest assured that persons will start to not only see but feel the benefits of the improved works that we have done along Hagley Park Road.